Welcome to the island of Bonaire. We're here on vacation. It's a cruise port, and we're going to check it out. So stay tuned. What a beautiful island. There's a lot to do downtown, and it's right here in the cruise port. Now, we didn't book an excursion, and it was raining when we got here, but we decided just to get off the ship, take a walk around. We found this awesome place to sit by the water, have a drink, grab some lunch, and then we wandered around for a bit. So just join us, relax, and let's check it out. Right here at the cruise port, the Waterfront had a lot going on. There was a lot of bars, a lot of restaurants. There were some things to do if you were just walking around right here close to the ship. There are talks of this secret cruise port beach. Well, let's take a quick look at it. And here it is. There's also an excursion offered by the cruise line to head over to Klein Island. And that's a great place from a beach perspective because it's sandy and not rocky, like most of the areas around here. So you also can book your own water taxi. We found this indoor mall area. It was pretty cool. There was a lot of stores, a lot of vendors, food options, drink options, and it was nice. It was raining a bit when we were here, so it was a great place to scoot off to and stay dry. Right behind that in the back street is kind of where the downtown area starts. Very vibrant, very colorful, a lot going on. All the stores, shops, and restaurants were not open yet. It was still early, but it was very beautiful, and we walked around and checked it out, so let's take a look. If you're looking to explore the island, one of the best options was to rent an ATV, a Jeep, or even a golf cart. They're all legal to drive around on the streets, and you can see a lot of folks are having a lot of fun out there. Hey you, watching our video. Yeah, you, we appreciate you. Thank you so much. While you're at it, give us a big thumbs up, let us know how we're doing in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. The pirate ship. Yeah, we wanted to go on that excursion. It was sold out, unfortunately. So if you see it, book it. Have you been here before? And if so, what excursions do you take? What fun was had? And just let us know in the comments. We really want to know, and so don't the other viewers. We were here on a Carnival cruise, the Carnival Vista. We really loved it. It's a great stop out here. Next stop is Aruba, and we can't wait. So stay tuned for that video. Who loves history? I sure do. So Bonaire, it's Dutch, and it's been that way for a while. It's also part of the Netherlands, which is pretty cool. With 25,000 residents on the island, tourism is their #1 attraction other than salt production and some really great snorkeling. There's plenty of shipwrecks around here, so you can have some fun and check that out. We arrived here on New Year's Day, so you can hear the fireworks in the background. They kept shooting them off, and it was pretty to see. We'll take a closer look here in a second. With that said, we've come to the end of the video, but it's really not the end. Book a trip, get on a cruise, get to Bonaire, and just walk around. Thanks for watching.